Voiceover tips. What to do when work dries up. Well, you may be in a situation where no emails have come through regarding your voiceover services for a whole morning. You have a coffee break, you listen to the radio, you think, I could have done that radio commercial, I've got a better voice than them. But still nothing comes. The afternoon comes, a few auditions, a few demos, but then the whole day goes without a job. And maybe that continues into 2 days. Well, the first thing to do is not to panic. Freelance work has always been a bit of a feast or famine affair. But don't worry, it will even out. When you're starting out, you simply won't have the large number of contacts that you will grow over the months and years to ensure there's never a lean period in your voiceover work input and output. This period of your life will come, I assure you, when you will have to turn down voice work because there won't be enough hours in the day. Once you become known as a reliable professional who responds fast, always goes the extra mile, like giving 3 takes when they ask for 2, or being available over a weekend when an urgent job comes up and you get your client out of a hole. These are the sort of things that will put you to the top of the voice artists on clients' lists in your own category or voice style. Now, you may think that the summer periods or Christmas, New Year holiday periods will be when there's less media work around. That's actually not necessarily the case. And you might find that you get extra work during those periods. In fact, if you actively make yourself available when other people may often be away or not prepared to work, you could pick up a lot of voiceover work. So summer holidays and, New Year, that sort of thing, when regular media projects needing usual voice talent aren't available, that's where you say, hey, I'm available. So maybe do an extra boost of email marketing and phone marketing if you want to do that in midsummer and before winter holiday. Firstly, take advantage of the lack of actual paid work to take a restock. Everyone needs to do that if you're a freelancer. Check that your website is the best it could be. Update your pictures, refresh your SEO, update your show reels if they need this. Do your accounts too. In my own very busy periods, recording script after script, even though I do log down the jobs I do every day, obviously, I put off invoicing. I feel it's more important to record and deliver to clients. And these invoices stack up. I remember I had a crazy week, or 2 weeks of endless recordings down the line sessions. At the end of that week, I realized I hadn't invoiced anything for 2 weeks. So it's crazy to keep on working and not get paid for it. So make sure you regularly get your invoices in, chase invoices that haven't been paid on time. So that's something very worthwhile to do when there aren't any actual jobs in your in-tray. Go for a walk, do the things you wanted to do when so just enjoy your life, make the most of it. Don't worry, the next job will come. The next thing to do is to make sure you are listed on as many decent voice directories as possible. And many of these are free for a basic listing. There are some which aren't all that active for various accent types, but I can certainly suggest that the following free-to-join sites you must get on, really. Upload your profile show reels there. It's a real shame that Envato Studio has closed, by the way, but there are plenty of others, as you can see on the screen now. I have a full list of other voiceover directory sites, both completely free and the best paid-for ones, the so-called pay-for-play sites, in our Kindle and also print book, Voiceover Masterclass on Amazon now, or in the marketing course on our website. But these are the essential ones to get on. Don't forget to update your demos as you improve them. Also check the contact details are correct and updated as well. Now, many sites have an on vacation button. When you do go away, remember to switch your availability back on the day before you return. Many people forget to do that and they wonder why they're not getting work. So upload your free profiles and make sure you're on at least these ones on screen today. Now, note that the Fiverr.com site is so essential to be on for all voice work, and don't be sniffy about it. You won't sell anything for just a Fiverr, I promise you. We have created a specific course on how to optimize your profile to maximize the work and income you get from Fiverr.com. So you can check out the recently updated Fiverr course at Voiceover Masterclass. Next, get into the regular habit of marketing at least 5 emails a day, no matter how busy you are, to completely new companies. Forget voice agents and voice agencies. You are targeting direct people who will hire and pay you direct. Target production companies, audio production companies, video production companies, dubbing companies, and so on. Tourism is coming back in a big way, so Google audio tourism guide production. Or be more specific, audio guide production for museums. Even put a city name after that. The whole world is out there. There are many companies that need voice artists with their own recording facilities. Don't stick on the first page of results. Find page 5, 10, whatever. A fee from a smaller company down on Google is just as good as a fee from a large organization and will probably pay you quicker as well. Now, when you're doing your marketing, make a record of who you contact and when. You can either list details in Excel or you'd use a CRM system, customer relationship management. Salesforce is a good one, but there's one aimed at voiceovers specifically called VoiceOverView, voiceoverview.com. Check that out. They can even give you a one-page website as well. Firstly, two very important points. The English language is an international language. Every country will have needs for English versions of promo films and so on, so don't only target English-speaking countries. If you're a native English speaker, make the most of this when you sell yourself to overseas production companies. So good luck from us all here at voiceovermasterclass.com. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.